Hi children. So yesterday we have started our third lesson, that is synthetic fibers and plastics, isn't it? Yes. So what did we learn? Yes, we have learned the types of fibers, natural and synthetic. Yes. And some objects which is in our home and what it is made of. Yes, we have discussed that. Yes or no? So I think you may found the some objects and how it is made of. Yes. Yes. Okay. So now let us go to today's session. How synthetic fibers are made? It is made up of small joined small units. Okay. That is, each many small units are combined, they will form a single large unit. Okay, so each unit is made up of chemicals. Many small units are combined to form a large single unit is called polymer. Okay. So polymer is made by repeating many small units. See children, I have given you example here. So I am using paper pin. I am connecting one by one like a chain, which was given in the picture. Okay. So the paper pin is a single unit, small unit. Okay, which was connected to form a chain. So here the whole chain is a polymer. Okay, clear? Clear? Yes. So polymer is made by repeating many small units. Those small units were made up of chemicals. So this is how combining small units of chemicals, they are making a large single unit synthetic fibers, polymer. Okay, clear? Yes. So there are so many types of synthetic fibers we are using nowadays. The first one is rayon. Rayon, I have one question. So nowadays women are mostly preferring rayon kurtis. Why? Yes, it is very soft cloth. It is easy to maintain also. Okay, it is easy to wear. Okay, we will not feel so hot while wearing rayon cloths. Okay, so a beautiful texture, fascinated cloth. See, if you touch the rayon, it will be so soft. Okay. In ancient times, people tried to make artificially silk, but not then. So, actually, the silk is getting from the silkworms, isn't it? But the people have tried to make artificial silk வந்து ப்ரொடியூஸ் பண்ணுறதுக்கு அவங்க முயற்சி பண்ணாங்க. But it was not happened. It was not done. So, they designed a fiber which has the same property of silk. So how can we say that cloth is a silk? Yeah, it looks glossy, it is very soft. Yes. So by these categories we will tell that as a silk. So they have made a cloth which not exactly, which seems to be like a silk. Okay. Although rayon is made from wood pulp, it is human made. So even rayon also making from the wood pulp of the trees, but it was made by humans. Okay, it is the raw material is wood pulp, but who is making? Humans are making. So it is human made, and the rayon is very cheaper than silk. It looks like silk, but it won't be more cost like a silk. Okay, the rayon can be mixed with cotton, and it can be used with to make products like mats, like that. Yes, rayon can be mixed with cotton, and it can be used for making bed sheets. Okay, and rayon can also be used with wool to make carpets. Okay, so this is how rayon is feel like that, and this is the softness, and these are the uses of rayon. Okay, the next one is nylon. Nylon is also a man-made fiber prepared from coal, water and air. Okay, it is so strong, elastic and light. It is lustrous and easy to wash. See, for example, if we are using a nylon vessel to store water, குடம் வந்து வீட்டில் நைலான் குடம் யூஸ் பண்ணுறோன்னா, it will be so strong. அதாவது சீக்கிரமாக உடஞ்சி போகாது, and it is very light. அதோட திக்னஸ் பார்த்திங்கன்னா ரொம்ப லைட்டாக இருக்கும் இல்லையா, அண்ட் ஆல்சோ லஸ்ட்ரஸ்னு என்னது, ஒரு ஷைனிங்காக இருக்கும் அப்படின்னு சொல்கிறோம். ஓகே, ஸோ ஹியர் ஐ ஹவ் கிவன் சம் ரெயின் ஜாக்கெட்ஸ், umbrella and like swing and parachute and the ropes they are which you are using in bicycles to tie your bags. So those are made of nylon. Okay, even your socks is made of nylon. Okay, it is also a fiber which is strong, elastic and light. Okay, so why do the people raincoats are made of nylon? Because it won't absorb water. Okay, so that it has a water resistant power. So in the rainy season we are using umbrellas. Okay, and the same purpose raincoat also.